All right, guys, another one of my favorite students sent me this question tonight from the homework from geometry. It says, find the lateral surface area, or the lateral area and the surface area of each figure and round to the nearest hundredth if necessary. All right, so first of all, you guys probably need to know what the heck the difference between lateral area and surface area, okay? Well, it's really easy. The lateral area... Okay, when we talk about lateral area right here, all we're talking about is the surface area of all of the shapes that make up this thing right here, except for the base. Okay, so we're going to find the area of all of the shapes that make up this, rectangular prism, right, except for the base. So the part that I shaded in red, we're not going to find. We don't need to add that to our measurements. Okay, so I'm going to change the color here. I think this is blue or green. I can't tell. So I'm going to find the area of this rectangle, which is also going to be the area of this rectangle, right? Because they're the same. So we're going to find the area of this rectangle and then add this rectangle to it, right? Because both of those are the same. Then we need to find the area of the back side, right? That rectangle in the back that makes up the back side of this thing, right? So that, and then we have to find the area of the front side that you can't see, okay? Do you guys get that? So again, we need to find the area of this guy. And then isn't it going to be the same as that guy? Yes, it is. And then we're going to find the area of this guy. Here, let's use a different color. We're going to find the area of this guy, right? Because that's a rectangle. And then we're going to find the area of the back side, right? This guy that's on the back of the tent. Think of it as a tent. But we're not gonna include in our measurements the base. That is called lateral area. Okay, it's everything except for the base. Okay, so then whenever we get that, we're going to find the lateral area, and I'm not going to walk you through the math on that. You guys are just going to have to use the formulas. One of the formulas you're going to use is A equals 1/2 base times height, right? That's going to find the area of the triangles, and then you're also going to use A equals B times H, base times height. That's going to find the area of those two rectangles, right? The blue and the red. Okay, and then after we find the lateral area, we're going to write that answer down. Then we're going to find the area of that black base down there and add that to it, and that will give us the total surface area.